Brunswick prosecutor is due in court but finds herself in a different position as the defendant. Jackie Johnson is charged with violation of oath and obstruction for allegedly meddling in the police investigation of the 2020 killing of Ahmaud Arbery in Brunswick, which many called a racially motivated hate crime, leading to a national outcry for justice. Johnson appeared before a judge this morning for a hearing at the Glynn County Courthouse. Our Flynn Snyder was at that hearing. He joins us now live at the courthouse. And Flynn, this was the last hearing before the case goes to trial.
Yeah, Mike, good afternoon. This was the hearing lasted for about an hour or so today. Lawyers on both sides argued over any remaining motions before jury selection is set to begin. Former Brunswick District Attorney Jackie Johnson was at the hearing. Prosecutors say she used her power to favor and protect Greg and Travis McMichael. The two were among three men convicted of killing Arbery. Among the most heated arguments today was a request from Johnson's defense team to disqualify Georgia's Attorney General from the case. The AG's office says they will prosecute Johnson. Her lawyers argued there are several conflicts here, even saying they plan to call Georgia AG Chris Carr as a witness during trial himself. Meanwhile, state prosecutors were surprised by the assertion, saying the move would send the case into legal limbo, delaying it even further. You'll hear from Johnson's lawyer, then from prosecutors.
If the head of the office, the elected district attorney, or in this case the elected attorney general, has a conflict, then all of their people who work for them have a conflict.
By trying to make Attorney General Carr a witness, by speculation, without subpoenaing him, and trying to come up with some vague reason, they're trying to get this case into a place where it cannot go forward any further.
And lawyers also argued over whether to admit evidence of Johnson's election history and prior successful prosecutions. Arbery's 2020 death in a Brunswick neighborhood sparked a nationwide outcry and calls for justice. Judge John Turner said he would make a ruling on these motions next week. Jury selection is expected to get underway on January 21st, with the remainder of the trial expected to last about 2.5 weeks. Johnson, for her part, has pleaded not guilty to the charges. We're live outside the Glynn County Courthouse this afternoon. Flynn Snyder, WTOC News.
Thank you, Flynn. Continuing coverage now.